Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza and grill garden. First, let's start with the pizza dough. Combine 1 1/2 cups of warm water with 1 packet of active dry yeast and a pinch of sugar, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, mix in 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then let it rise. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out to your desired thickness on a lightly floured surface. Transfer the dough to a pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce, then generously add shredded mozzarella cheese and your chosen toppings. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Now let's move to the garden grill. First, ensure your grill grates are clean to prevent food from sticking and to ensure even cooking. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, prepare your fresh garden vegetables. Bell peppers, zucchini, and corn on the cob are excellent choices. Lightly brush them with olive oil and season with salt and pepper, ready for the grill. Place your prepared vegetables directly on the preheated grill. Grill them for 5 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally to achieve those beautiful char marks and tender crisp texture. Once cooked, remove them from the grill. Serve your delicious grilled garden vegetables alongside your freshly baked homemade pizza for a truly satisfying and complete meal. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.